Okay, we're keeping this one short and sweet. We're talking money. For many people, times are tough. According to a recent Welsh Government study, nearly 1/4 of us, 710,000 people in Wales, are living in some sort of relative income poverty after our bills are paid. So for some, paying the water bill isn't easy. A lot of people don't know, but Welsh Water are already helping over 80,000 people who are genuinely struggling by reducing their water bill. For example, if someone's total household income every year is under 15 grand, then Welsh Water can help reduce that by as much as half through their Help You scheme. So here's the question. Do you want Welsh Water to help even more people who are genuinely struggling to pay their water bills? If so, what does this mean for you? Welsh Water are a not-for-profit company, so they can put a bit of money in to help because they don't have to pay dividends to their shareholders. But it does mean that those who can afford to pay their water bill might need to pay a little bit extra in order to help them out. Yes, no, agree, disagree? Let Welsh Water know what you think by clicking on the link below. Oh yeah, and one final important point. If you're struggling to pay your water bill, Welsh Water have a team of people waiting to help. Just click on that link.